This is inline for compress, the compressed air, this. After line. For filter housing, connect the filter housing. This program for in these instruments, we can see 1,000 program. You can create a new one. With no limit, no right for this user level, so we can see the test for bubble point. Test bubble point and diffusion flow test pressure air. A pressure decay test water. Diffusion flow test ultrafiltration flow test. You can see all parameters here. Test pressure. Test pressure generally is 80% of mini bubble point. So if the filter's mini bubble point is 3,400 Hova, then we just tap 80%. It's 2,800 Hova here. Then we just choose the filter material like it's PS or some or nylon. Also, we can choose test mode module. You can choose normal test or fast test. Fast test is test fast. Little for metro filtration area. We just input 0. Then we choose the filter type, cartridge, a panel, or something else. Filter height 10. One quantity is 1. Then the filtration area. It will calculate with itself automatically. Now we can type both sides. Both sides also need a filter manufacturer. Supply is like a 2 point. 0.22 or 0.45. Whitening liquid, we can choose water or EBA, something else. We are using common use is compressed air. Now the parameters input we can choose run, and also you can type additional information like a product, batch number or product name, something. Batch. The printer print subject you can choose. Okay, now we can see the bubble and diffusion flow test. This red mini bubble point and max diffusion flow together. Hustle, you can see the pressure today. We need to improve decay standard. The water flow is for water intrusion test. We need to improve the max flow is the cartridge of the fusion memory manufacturer supply. General water intrusion test is for PDFE or PVDF. Diffusion water test, we need to input max diffusion flow. Okay, now for instruments calibration safety test. Safety test is one of the instruments working normal. We can do it. It will test the instrument's whole system whether have linkage. Also, we can see internal calibration. Zero calibration. Or we can stop it, we can see is external calibration. You need to calibrate once a year. Generally, we recommend once a year also. You can do half a year, once also more time if you use the instruments not too much. And also can do longer. This wash is also we call blowing. This washing is just for sometimes when the user don't care for them, the liquid back into instrument that we need to wash it immediately. Otherwise, the water or liquid damage the sensor, that is very trouble. Parameter society. This system parametering, we generally don't suggest set it by yourself. This language choose Chinese or English. This also has a bubble point and a mode, manual or automatic. If we choose out automatic, then when the test bubble point reach the mini bubble test, then it will stop testing immediately. As user setting, you can type some in subject, then choose it printer. And it will show in printer papers this in printer setting. And the subject you can choose. If you want to show you in printer paper, user management for these instruments can storage 1000. So you can create a new one or delete the old one. History. History, this device can save 300,000 data. Also, you can choose one you can read. Also, you can print. And also, you can export by USB, then copy it to PC. But when we give you a software, then you can generate PDF report in your PC. It can be changed. Let's audit a chill. Audit chill is the instruments will record all the key operations. when we do any operation for it. Also, we can do export this for our auditory. We can save 5 years for these instruments.